immediately crashes. So, trying to figure out what the hell is going on. So we're going to tear this whole thing apart and see if maybe part of it is something's hooked up wrong, something's not hooked up, or is got something in it, dust or something. I don't know, that's keeping it from connecting the CPU, because the VDDP when you're in BIOS doesn't show up either. So I don't know. I got stuff playing in the background that I asked for me to listen to try to figure some of this stuff out. But try to get yourself a grounding wrist strap, and ground yourself.